Welcome beauty enthusiasts to this exciting video where we'll be diving into the world of lip products and comparing two popular choices, lip polish and lip gloss. When it comes to enhancing our lips' natural beauty, these two products play in distinct roles. Today we'll explore the differences between lip polish and lip gloss, their unique characteristics, and which one might be the perfect fit for your desired lip look. Let's indulge in the art of lip enhancement with our exploration of lip polish versus lip gloss. Lip polish is a beauty essential that often acts as a rejuvenating treatment for our lips. It serves as an exfoliator and moisturizer, working wonders to smoothen and soften our pout. The primary purpose of lip polish is to exfoliate our lips, removing dead skin cells and creating a smooth canvas for lip product. It contains gentle scrubbing agents that delicately buff away dryness and flakiness, revealing softer, healthier lips. Lip polish formulations often include nourishing ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, and vitamins, which help lock in moisture and provide a hydrating boost to our lips. This leaves them feeling supple and ready for a flawless lip color application. To use lip polish, apply a small amount to your lips and gently massage in circular motions for about 30 seconds. Rinse off with warm water or wipe away with a soft cloth and voila, your lips are exfoliated and prepped for the next lip product. Lip gloss is a beloved staple in many makeup bags, loved for its ability to add a touch of shine and brilliance to our lips. Lip glosses impart a glossy finish to our lips, creating a luminous effect that catches the light and adds dimension to our lip color. This glossy sheen can instantly elevate any makeup look, making it an ideal choice for both casual and formal occasions. Lip glosses come in a wide range of colors and finishes, from clear and natural hues to bold, vibrant shades. They can be worn alone for a simple, dewy look or layered over lipsticks to intensify and customize the lip color. Another sought-after quality of lip gloss is its ability to create the illusion of fuller lips. The reflective nature of gloss helps enhance the appearance of volume and plumpness, giving the lips a more alluring and pouty effect. Deciding between lip polish and lip gloss depends on your lip care and makeup preferences. If you're looking to pamper your lips and improve their texture, lip polish is the go-to choice. It's ideal for those who struggle with dry or chapped lips and desire a smooth, nourished canvas for lip color. Lip gloss is perfect for those who love a glossy, radiant finish to their lip look. It's an excellent option for achieving a youthful and luscious appearance, and it complements various makeup styles. Overall, both lip polish and lip gloss play vital roles in our lip care and makeup routines. Lip polish exfoliates and nourishes our lips, while lip gloss adds a luminous and glamorous touch to our lip looks. Thank you for joining us today for this in-depth exploration of lip polish versus lip gloss. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights into these lip-enhancing products and help you make the perfect choice for your lip care and makeup needs. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them below. Until next time, may your lips be polished and glossed with beauty and radiance.